Hey everybody, so I want to show you this 3-pack of pendant lights that I just got. So I am really excited about these. They look awesome. So they have a really nice sleek design to them. They are black and they have a black metal cage. It does not come with the bulb, so you'll have to provide those 3 of them, but it is a 3-pack, and what's nice is that these are completely customizable, so you can determine how low you want them or how high you want them just by cutting the provided wire. Installation is a breeze as well, and I love that you're going to get 3 of them, so you're not going to have to buy them separately. You can buy them all at once. A little bit of assembly required with the light itself, but it's going to provide you with this awesome look, whether you're looking for a farmhouse look, if you're looking for something modern, or just something sleek and updated for your environment. So we are really excited about these. It really kind of leveled up our kitchen.
So these lights are matte black, but they also come in a silver chrome style as well. They're going to be a great mix between an industrial style as well as a farmhouse style. They do use a standard E26 light bulb socket, so you are going to be able to find lots of different bulbs to match this. The other thing that's really nice is that if you want to use this without the cage because you're looking for a different design element, you can do that simply by removing the screws. This set of lights is going to be durable and sturdy, and you're going to be able to use it in various rooms. You can see here that it's very easy just to clip the wire and go ahead and strip it so that you can install appropriately. Installation is a breeze, and it does come with instructions to do so. You'll want to make sure that when installing, you go ahead and you connect your ground as well as your red and black wires. Make sure that your electrical source is turned off as to not shock you. And once it is installed, you're going to see how easy it is and how beautiful these pendant lights look afterwards. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today, and I hope you found it helpful.